attempt at skipping a rock.
Hang on.
This is Chris's attempt at skipping a rock.
Awesome amazingness or epic fail?
Okay.
Yeah. Take two.
Epic fail.
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 Again, epic.
Fail.
Let me try.
Yes!
Yes!
No longer do it.
I want to try.
Grab a rock.
I'll skip the camera.
No! Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Just like walking around with the camera.
What time?
This is a lot harder than what you think it would be.
Yeah, you skipped three! Good job! I actually got it! I actually got it!
You want to take the camera?
I'll take the camera. I have practice moving now. Skipping rocks.
Okay, Amber, let's do this.
Scare all the children.
Fail.
Once it.
I don't think they would
unza.
appreciate it if I took my pants off.
No.
Alright. Whoa, that was really good.
Kristen and Amber might.
Wow! Yes! No, wait. Look at Michael Jackson! That's even, he is dead. He is rising up from the earth. He's like, whoa!
What are you smoking?
Your mama's crack.
Ew.
I can see two. I got a two. Yeah, search the ground, Olivia. I am searching the ground. Let's search your mom.
Whoa.
Whoa.
This just got awkward.
I know.
No.
That's my
My pants are officially.
Okay, I'm gonna take pictures.